This video focuses on how you can use Zapier integration by walking through a basic example where your lead data gets captured in a Google Sheet. To begin with, go to the Data Integration section of the bot. Select the Zapier option and now select the Log New TARS Conversation Data as Google Sheets Rows option. Zapier workflow page will open up. Click on Get Started. You need to connect your TARS account to the Zapier to continue. After connecting both accounts, click on Next. Now Zapier will show you a list of the chatbots that you have built, so go ahead and select your chatbot that you want to link with Google Sheets. Make sure to publish and have conversation with your chatbot at least once before connecting it with a Google Sheets, or else you might face this error. Now connect your Zapier account to the Google Sheets account on which you want your data on, along with the Google Drive account where you want to save all the sheets. Make sure to create a proper spreadsheet with column names already defined. Now select the spreadsheet on which you want to save your data and select the worksheet after that. After that, select the gambits or type of data you want to store in those columns. In this case, as you can see, the data entered in the chatbot will be displayed for your reference. Select a proper data or gambit for each column and click on Next. Zapier will ask to test out the Zap by sending the data on spreadsheet. Click on Send Test to see if your Zap is working properly. And your Zap is all set up. Now turn on the Zap, and from now on, all the data recorded by your chatbot will be sent to the Google spreadsheet automatically. To use chatbots in your own organization, book a free chatbot consultation at hellotars.com/demo or click the link in the video description. Again, that's hellotars.com/demo.